You wrote the word turkey. Let's see, can you write the word egg?
1 second.
Brian, Mommy will do it then. I have to get a list together. What are you drawing? What is that? What is it? A fish? What is it?
A honk.
A what?
A honk.
What's a honk?
Just like this. Honk, honk.
A goose?
Yeah.
It's a goose?
No, a honk.
It's called a honk?
Here.
Let's see your honk. Is that its, where's its mouth?
He does a weird mouth.
Does he have a beak?
So beak.
Oh, that's a beak? Is that his eye?
Yeah.
And he says what? What does he say?
This is his beak. He doesn't say everything. He just says honk.
Does he fly?
No.
What does he do? Does he swim?
Yeah.
He swims? Does he walk around? Oh, wow. What's that?
I give him little wings so he can fly in that air.
Very nice. He flies?
And make a rainbow.
Does he have feet? Does he walk?
No.
What's his name?
Allie.
His name is Allie?
Big Allie.
Oh, it's Big Allie.
Big Allie.
Not Little Allie.
No. That's Big Allie.
What is that called again?
Big Allie.
What kind of animal is it?
Don't do this.
What's that going to be?
You know it.
What is it? What is that? Oh, that's great. Is that his, that's called a, do you know what that's called? God bless you.
That's his little boogie. So they can sneeze in the water.
It is. So you can sneeze in the water?
Yeah.
Actually, that's like we have, look at Mommy, I'm pointing to my nose. It's called a nostril. When it's on a birdie, it's called a nair. That's his nair. Did you know that?
Yeah.
You called it a boogie, though.
Yeah.
It's a honk. You drew a picture of a honk with a boogie?
Yeah. And this is his top, and this is his black. So he doesn't sneeze in the water anymore.
Does he swim in warm water or cold water?
Baby hot water.
Oh.
Because baby D likes hot water.
He does.
Yeah.
Does he have babies?
No.
No?
I did draw picture of his babies.
Does he have feet?
No.
No?
No.
What does he do when he's not in the water? Does he get on the land?
Yeah.
Or fly in trees?
Yeah.
How does he sit on the branch without feet? What does he use to sit on the branch?
His line right here, line made.
That line right there is what he uses?
Yeah.
That's called his line?
Yeah.
Hmm. What does he eat?
Honk food. Honk food.
Where do you get honk food?
Yeah.
Where do you get honk food, Brienne?
From the water.
From the water?
Yeah.
Oh. Is it tasty?
Yeah.
Have you ever had honk food?
No.
No?
Remember, I was on honk. I put to eat honk food.
When you were honk?
Yeah.
Did you have a boogie in your nose like that honk?
Yeah. I have to eat like that.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh man, how did you make your noise? What did it sound like?
Like this. Honk, honk.
That's what you did?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Allie, can you do it too? Can you say honk honk?
He honks with his beak.
Oh, it's a beak?
Yeah. His beak honks.
Oh.
Honk, honk.
Like that?
Yeah.
Oh. Is he fast or is he slow?
Fast.
Fast?
Yeah.
What kind of friends does he play with?
No friends.
No friends. That would be sad.
No, they won't. They will be happy.
Why?
Wouldn't he be happy with friends?
Yeah.
What kind of games does he play?
Tag.
Oh, honks play tag.
Yeah.
Is he it or is somebody else it?
Somebody plays tag all by himself.
He does.
Yeah. He does tag, get it, and then back to his tag.
Is that how he plays?
Yeah.
Who wins?
Yeah, he does.
Oh, cool. He wins?
Yeah.
Nice.
I don't get the wire so they can take water from his beak.
How does he drink his water? Let's take a look at your honk. And his name is Big Allie? Let me see.
Yeah.
That's a nice honk.
Yeah.
That's a great looking honk you got there.
Yeah. Let me do a little bit of water.
Baby, Abby. Baby.
Does he sing songs?
No.
What?
Does he talk?
He doesn't sing?
No.
I thought
He just talks like this.
Oh,
Honk.
okay.
Can you sing me the honk song?
No,
How
he
does-
doesn't sing.
He doesn't?
No,
No.
he just talks like this. Honk.
Yeah.
Huh.
I understand.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen a honk before?
No.
No?
Mm-mm.
How about at the zoo?
No.
You didn't see a honk at the zoo?
He doesn't belong at the zoo.
Where does he
He
belong?
belongs at the home place.
Where's the honk place?
By Santa's house.
Oh,
By Sheena's house?
Santa's house.
Oh,
No,
Santa.
Santa's
Oh, by
house.
Sheena's house.
Santa's house.
Oh, that's where the honk place is.
Yeah.
Where Nana and Papa live?
Yeah. That's it.
Cool. How old is your honk?
But 18.
18.
Yeah.
What did you ask me earlier today? If I could show you how to do.
Right. Honk.
No. Hey, how do you write honk? What do you think the first letter starts with? Huh. Huh. What letter would that be? What letter sounds like this? Huh. Huh.
Ha. Ha.
What letter do you think that is?
You tell.
H.
8.
Do you want to write that underneath? Do you want to write honk underneath so everyone knows what it is?
Yeah.
Okay. Get your pen.
How you write 8?
Why don't we write it down here?
Okay.
Remember, H is like this.
Yes. Bye.
You know how to do an H. H.
Yeah.
Very nice. The next letter is a O. O. Can you do an O?
What's
The next letter is the letter that makes the sound like this. N, n, n,
Not.
n. What letter is that?
You tell.
N. The letter N. Can you draw an N?
How you doing?
You know how to do N. You have two N's in your name in Brianne. Brianne. You draw your N's all the time. Look at Allie's hair.
Yeah.
What hair do you got, Allie?
Baby
That's nice.
Here. Baby here.
She rubbed her meat in her hair, I think.
You look a mess.
Let me see you do your N so we can finish up your picture. N. And then the letter K.
How you doing?
You know how to do. Why don't you know your letters anymore? You know how to do it.
No, I do.
Do you want me to write it?
Yeah.
Like this. It goes like this. Look at Mommy's finger.
Oh.
Like that. K, K, K. Like that.
Can you do it?
Now what does that say?
That's a silly K.
No, it's okay. Hey, Brienne, look at Mommy. What does that say?
B.
Honk.
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 It spells honk.
You think we should go tomorrow and see if we can go find a honk?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I will play with my honk.
You do?
Remember we saw a honk at Dunkin' Donuts out back.
A goose? Oh yeah. Are you talking about a goose?
Yeah. That's what a honk is, goose.
No, by Santa's house.
Oh. All right. Let's look at your honk one more time for a step your video. Brienne, that's the best honk I've ever seen.
Yeah.
See?
My honk. I want to take a picture of my honk.
Okay, since we're done, okay? I just want to say, Brienne, thank you so much. I never knew what a honk looked like until you showed me. Thank you.
Can I raise it up?
Did you want to take a picture?
I want to take a picture of it.
Of your what?
Honk.
Okay, make the noise one more time. Show me how it goes.
Honk.
What is it? What did you do with your hands, though?
Raise it.
All right.
Raise my hands off.
All right. Bye-bye.
No.
I'm going to turn off the video.
No. I want to take a picture of my honk.
Okay, here you go. Get it on your video. It's on a video. It's on the camera. Got it?
Yes, die.
Very nice. You got it?
Say cheese, honk.
Cheese.